Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and I'm the activity author here to bring you another book inspired mini craft video. You know, this is my segment where I give you the same videos y'all love but just in shorter form. And if you don't know me, hey, I am Cheryl. I am an author and I create easy kids crafts out of household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors. So check out all of my mini videos here on this channel. I am sure you guys are gonna love your stay. So today's book, as you guys already know from the thumbnail, is called The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Carle. And guess what, guys? This is my first collaboration video with a fun channel that I love, so I'm so excited to be collabing with them, called Kidz Stories and More. Y'all can always find me in the comment section on this channel because they have some cool ideas and fun stories they read, and they also have tons of good stuff. So definitely check them out. Go to their channel. I have them linked down below and see what activities Miss Mimi has cooking up for you guys, because I know it's going to be a good one. So definitely check out their channel after you watch this video and tell Miss Mimi that I said hey. All right. Now that we got all that out of the way, y'all know what I'm about to say. Let's get crafty. Okay, so we were inspired by this page of the book first, so we're going to go ahead and recreate this scene. This is a great one for little kids, so you're just going to need some wax paper, you're going to need some paper towel rolls and a rubber band. And what we're going to do is we're going to wrap the wax paper around the paper towel roll because we're going to make this our stamper, as you guys guess. Yes, you are so smart. So go ahead and wrap that rubber band around and just hold it nice and tight. So what we're doing here is this is just prepping, guys. So parents, educators, you're just going to prep this part first for the kids, and then they're going to handle the rest, as you can see. All right, congratulations, you are all prepped. So now your child is ready to come on and make that caterpillar. Now I directed Kimmy to make sure she twists it before she lifts it, because if you just stamp it, you won't get the full color like you see here. And it's pretty easy for her to handle. So I think kids maybe 3 and up could handle this. She's 5, but yeah. So this craft is supposed to be a fun one, you know, just for, you know, younger kids, because I had a lot of these egg cartons just lying around. I always collect egg cartons. I never throw them away because they make great great craft supplies. So I had my daughter start painting it, and I was like, wait, let me cut this in half so it can be easier for her to handle. So I cut it in half. I gave her some paint, and this is my 3-year-old Malia, and Kim also helped as well because Malia got a little tired, so Kim finished it for her. Okay, here you can see me cutting it out, and I didn't want to have those little fragile looking ends, so I just went ahead and cut those off too. You guys can keep them if you want. I just didn't like the look of them. Plus they're more manageable this way. And then Kim is going to go ahead and make the face. Now she insisted on using googly eyes because this girl want to put a googly eye on every craft, so I just let her. I mean, you could always just use a marker and draw the face on as well if you want the easy way, but she wanted googly eyes, so just give the kids what they want. And here she is making the mouth, and all she has to do is put the little antennas on and she'll be done. All right, so then after she did this, I gave her a white piece of paper and I told her to assemble it just like how it looked on the cover of the book, and she didn't do too bad. I just went ahead and added some legs for her, and we're done. Look how simple this is, guys. Super duper simple. All right, so the time that you all been waiting for is the game, my favorite part of this video. So guys, we're gonna show you real quick how to assemble this easy game. This takes a little bit of prep on your part, parents and educators, but all I'm doing is I'm gonna take a basket and some construction paper. I'm tracing a circle around it. Now, of course, my construction paper does not fully cover the opening of this basket, but that is okay because you're gonna see in a second that we're not gonna need to cover the whole thing. So now we got our circle. I'm gonna try to figure out how to make these eyes. I got some of these construction paper. So yep, we're just gonna make these eyes, antenna, and the nose. So let's go ahead and do that. So real quick, I just wanted to tell you guys, I'm just marking how big I want to make the inner circles, because you know you want to make the inner pupils smaller than the eye, you know, the bigger part, like in the book. Y'all see what I'm talking about, just like this. So I had to mark that just to make sure I didn't cut it the same size. And that is it for the prep. So now let me show you guys how to play the game. You guys can watch me and my daughter play. Very fun, lots of educational benefits, so you definitely want to stick around to see how to play this game.
I need some healthy food for my Carle because he wants to be healthy.
Okay.
Apples are healthy. Apples, these. Watermelon. This.
Oh, okay.
Bananas. I think so. Bread.
I love it.
This is not healthy. More bread.
Yeah.
This is not healthy.
All right, you think you found everything he's gonna eat?
No, we need 5 more.
5 more. Okay, go ahead then. The first game we're gonna play is called Guess What the Caterpillar Likes to Eat. So what we're gonna do is, in that book, right, he eats a lot of different foods. I wanna see if you can remember what he likes to eat. So go ahead and pick your first food and I'll tell you if he actually eats it in this book, okay? And if he doesn't, he's gonna get a tummy ache and he's gonna spit it out. All right, go ahead. Take your first pick. What do you think he wants to eat?
Lettuce.
Lettuce. All right, try it. Try it. Go ahead. Put it in his mouth. Munch. He likes it. We're going to say he likes the lettuce because he does eat the leaf. So that is like lettuce. Good job. All right, pick another one. Let's see.
More lettuce.
Oh, that's not lettuce. What is that, Kimmy? So let's see.
Celery.
Celery. Let's see if he eats it.
Spit it out.
Let's see if he eats it. Good. Just give it a try. Munch. Oh no! He doesn't like it. He doesn't eat celery in the book. I'm sorry. All right, let's try another food. Okay, what is that? Tell me what it is. It looks like what is that?
Celery.
Celery? No. What is that? Do you know what that is called? Okay, that is called a green pepper. Can you say green pepper?
Green pepper.
All right, let's see if he'll eat it. Put it in his mouth. He's looking at you. He's looking at you. Munch. He doesn't eat green peppers. No. Nope.
That's spicy.
Yeah, there's nowhere in the book that he eats green peppers. Okay, let's try something else.
Strawberry.
All right,
that makes him healthy.
All right, let's see if he eats a strawberry. Munch. Oh, he's happy. He loves it. All right, give him something else. He said, more, please.
Orange.
Okay, give him an orange.
There you go.
Munch. Oh, he doesn't eat orange.
Look, he does.
No, I don't see an orange in here. Do you see an orange? I don't see an. Oh, he does eat an orange. Ah, sorry. Oh, never mind, Mr. Caterpillar. Mommy was wrong. Kimmy, thank you so much. See, she remembered, guys, that he does eat an orange. Good job. 1 point for Kimmy. I know he is. 2. Yeah, give him that pair. I know he's gonna want that.
I don't have 2 pairs.
You don't have to have 2. Look, he wants it. He's looking at you. Yes. Ding, ding, ding. And Kimberly, you win the first game. High five. That's what I'm talking about. The second game is how fast can you feed the caterpillar? Now, in order to feed him, you have to say what each food item that you're feeding him is. Okay?
Okay.
All right, here we go. You have 1 minute to feed this caterpillar. On your mark, get set, go. Say what it is.
Orange.
Go.
Corn. Watermelon. Strawberry.
Ooh.
Carrot.
Carrot. Say it.
Apple.
Yes.
Lettuce. This.
Oh, what we said what that was. Remember, it starts with cauliflower. Good job. Keep going.
Jelly.
Pineapple.
Tomato.
Tomato. Good. Keep going. Watermelon. Yes.
Bread.
Yes, that's bread. Go.
Bread.
You got 10 seconds. Orange. Carrot again. Bread. Green beans. Yes. Pear. Apple again.
What's it called again?
A green pepper. Yeah, green pepper.
Green pepper.
Yes.
More cauliflower.
And
Mushroom.
we're almost done. 5. Yay! You made it. Now, guess what? The third game's gonna be a guessing game.
What?
Yes, it's gonna be lots of fun. So have a seat over here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna close your eyes and you're gonna reach your hand in and you're gonna feel it. You're gonna grab an item. You're gonna feel it with your hands and you're gonna try to figure out what it. Well, you're gonna guess what it is, and I'm gonna tell you if you're right or not. Okay? All right. So you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Close your eyes. All right. And stick your hand in. Oh. All right, now don't open your eyes. I want you to pick an item. Did you pick one?
Yes.
Okay, what do you think it is? Just feel it.
It's very rough.
And
it's a little bit soft.
Okay, well, what do you think this item is? What kind of food is this?
Orange.
Okay, open your eyes. Yes, it is. It is. Ooh, I think you're gonna get this.
It feels a little bit rough.
And
it's a little bit soft like the orange.
Okay.
I think this is a strawberry.
Open your eyes. You are so smart. Very good. 2 for 2.
If this feels like an orange and a strawberry.
Okay.
Is this a carrot?
Yes.
Soft.
Is it another word you can say for soft? How about, is it round or is it flat?
Flat.
Okay, so I wonder what it is. Do you know what it is?
It's just a tomato.
Open your eyes. How are you getting these? You're so good at this. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. I can't have Kimmy beating me out, y'all. Okay. Oh, I know what this is. This one is like a round, flat top, and it's a stem. It can only be one thing. It could be a mushroom. That's the only thing I can think of.
Yes!
It's a mushroom?
Yes!
Yeah! The last game is your favorite game that you've been playing a lot lately. You know what that is?
What?
Basketball. So we're gonna play the food toss.
What?
Yes, so it's gonna be the caterpillar food toss, and you're gonna have 30 seconds to see how many food items you can get in Mr. Caterpillar's mouth. You think you're ready for the challenge?
I just need some of it.
No, are you ready for the challenge?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So you got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, let's see how many you got. This one don't count because it's on the nose. And here's where the counting comes in, parents.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. You got 10 points. Oh, Leah, throw it in the mouth. Come on, Leah, don't pick any type of food. Go. Good. That's 1, 2. Come on, Leah. 15 seconds. 3.
Go, Leah.
4.
Go, Leah. Go, Leah.
You got 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Yeah, 4, 3,
Don't worry.
2, 1. Time. All right, Malia, you have to count your score.
And remember the number.
Yes. All right, put it in the cart. Ready? Count, Malia. 1. Count with me, Leah. 1, 2. Count. 3, 4, 5, 6. I know. Oh, yes, I know. 6. Okay, we're on 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means Kimmy wins by 1 point. And go. Oh, this is hard. This is hard. Y'all got me. Oh, they made me have to. Y'all, I'm doing it the right way because y'all didn't do it the right way. Okay, I got 1. No, I'm just damaging him. Okay. Oh, I didn't get but 1. I got what, 10 seconds? Okay.
10.
Oh, I got 2. Come on. 3. Okay, 5 seconds. Give me the 5-second countdown. 4.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Oh! I got 2 on the buzzer.
No, Mom, you gotta count.
All right, I gotta count. Okay, 5. I got 5. That's all right though. So Kimmy is the winner. Chicken dinner. And there you have it. That is the video. So guys, if you are new to my channel, if you came over from Kid Stories and more, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stick around. I know you love this video, so you're gonna be a part of my family. And yes guys, this is the time where you go over to Mimi's channel and go ahead and check out her video. I have it linked down below in the description box. Remember, tell her I said what's up. All right, in the comment section, tell her I sent you. Okay. And guys, if you like this video, I just remembered I have one more video that has some hungry caterpillar activities. It was like one of the first couple of videos I made on my channel a long time ago, y'all. Humble beginnings, okay, that's all I'm gonna say, but it is a cute game I made a long time ago, so definitely click the description box as well, or click the card up top so you guys can go and check out that video if you love hungry caterpillar activities. And don't leave just yet, guys. I have so many more videos, over 200 videos that you guys can indulge in. So click one of these 2 videos here to keep the party going. There's that hungry caterpillar video I was telling y'all about. Click that one if you are curious, and I'll see you in that next video. Bye.